Yo everybody, I'm Kate here from Wild TV, back at it with an all-new season of Bikes, Barbecues, and Brews. Let's see what they're cooking.
Hey, I'm Jess.
And I'm Joe.
Today, our recipe is spatchcock chicken. Start cutting along one side of the backbone. Then we're gonna go up the other side of it. Flip it over, breast side up. Okay, so next up, we're gonna use the Motley Que poultry injection. That's looking really good, starting to plump up. So we're using our Creole fix. This is the Motley Que special one. These are gonna be delicious chicken wings. Like I said, that Creole fix is gonna give it a little bit of heat, which I love. So now we've got it injected, we've got it seasoned, and we're ready to roll.
Bikes, Barbecue, and Brews was brought to you by these sizzling sponsors. Harley-Davidson of Edmonton, Motley Que, Bronc Beer, Canadian Rangeland Bison, and Drumbo Smokers.
Dive into this.
You got it all over your face. That's Motley Que spatchcock chicken. Thanks for coming.